Ask Tom on Home Show.
Rita from Aurora, Colorado has questions about some home builder hassles.
Well, she moved into a new home. Apparently, this is one of those condo homes because she's got somebody living upstairs and there's a leak from that unit and the builder won't help. So Rita writes, it created a small bubble in my drywall that disappeared, but then a ticking noise developed in my ceiling near the same area. And that's in the kitchen when the heater is on. The home builder is telling me the sound is normal, but the tick noise continues long after the heater cycles off. I have a warranty, but the home builder is refusing to fix it. Tom, what do you think? Number one, is it a legit noise or something? We don't know. And number two, what's her recourse?
Well, I don't think she has any recourse, but the two are not related. If there was a leak and there was a bubble and there was water, that's one thing. The ticking noise when the heater comes on, that's some metal, what could be ductwork, it could be piping, it could be the heating system itself, registers in the wall. When you're having homes that are sharing walls and floors and ceilings and all this, you're going to hear noise from people next door. It's not really a home. It's a condo or whatever else you want to call it, a townhome. But it's probably the heating system. Their heating system is just heating up the metal ductwork and making that ticking noise. And when it shuts down, it keeps making the ticking noise because the metal expands and contracts when it gets hot and then it goes cold again. So there's nothing anybody can do about that. And as far as a leak, if you don't see any water and the bubble's gone and there's no other issue, the people upstairs could have sprayed the floor with water and it leaked through or something. I don't know. And they said, we better not do that anymore. Mm-hmm. And they stopped doing it. So it could be something as simple as that. But as far as being anything but a normal situation right now, I don't have enough to go on. I don't think it is. I think she bought what she bought and she's going to have to live with a ticking noise.
And unless my imagination goes off on that one. So, yes. and I think that's important for people to know. When you buy something from a builder and you sign that piece of paper, you've bought it. You've bought it.
And that's why, Charlie, when people call us and say, hey, I'm buying a house or I'm moving in a house, I want to change the air conditioner, I want to do this, I want to do that. I always tell people, get in and live in it for a year, and you're going to find all kinds of things you might want to do, or in this case, little nuances you're going to have to learn to live with. You just don't know until you live through in a house for a while. So rushing these kind of things, and in this case, there's really nothing you can do about it. It's just part of what's going to go on. Who knows what else is going to happen throughout the rest of the year. Right now, obviously, it's a heater that's bothering her. But and some people are really sensitive to little noises where other people aren't. So she might be very sensitive. But I don't think there's anything a builder can do about this at all.
Oh, that's great, Rita. There could be more. Okay. Well, I got a question.
Yeah,
when something surfaces, go to HomeShowRadio.com, click on that Ask Tom button again. Fill out a question, send it in. We'll help you again. I wish we could have given you a better answer this time, but what happens. It's a matter of owning a house. But we will, if you got a question and we can help you out, Tom was happy to do that. He does it 365 days. We post a new one of these every day because Tom likes to help. And you'll find him at HomeShowRadio.com, our YouTube channel, and our Facebook page.